everyone, it's Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd. Welcome to another unboxing. So this one is slightly different. So One Day Saving, who I've worked with before, have sent out some more bits to review, or asked me to pick some bits to review. And I said, look, just send me one of your mystery parcels. So they do different mystery parcels on the website, and I thought it'd be interesting for you guys to actually see what's in one of these mystery packages. So I will leave the one linked down below for the one that I chose, and then any other links as well that have been provided, discount links, and that will all be in the description box down below. So I have opened it. I haven't taken a look or anything. I just have to open it to know which company it actually comes from. So let's grab out whatever is in here, and we will take a look together at this mystery box. So all very intrigued. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 elements in here. Now I think on the website it does list an example of like what you might get, but I didn't really look at it, to be honest. So first of all, I find this a bit odd and a bit random, but there's obviously a reason for it. Maybe because you might gift these diamond paintings away. I don't know. But the first thing that I noticed in this mystery parcel is some gift bags. So it looks to be, I'm going to get them out of here because this Ziploc bag is damaged anyway, so that can go. But yeah, I mean, these look really pretty. These are gift bags. They actually feel really nice quality. And there is a sentiment. It says happy every day on the bottom. And a really nice sturdy handle with those plastic stoppers as well. These are actually really good quality bags. So I'm really impressed. Bit random to have come with a diamond painting mystery box, but and that says happy every day as well, and that one does too. So these are really nice and actually really good quality, so I will use these. I have a box of gift bags that I keep upstairs for when I obviously gift things, so I'll pop those away. So those are, yeah, random, but that's what you get in a mystery kit, I suppose. And then moving on to the next item, so let's take a look at what we get in this one. So we have some gold foil cord. We have a standard pen tray and wax. Then we have some crystal drills. So we've got a standard silver, some red, like a pinky red, a yellow, a black AB, and then a domed iridescent on the end there, that you can see those larger. And then this is what will be diamond paintings. So let's take a look at what, oh, these are actually gift tags. These are cardstock gift tags. These are brilliant for Christmas presents. So I've got some Christmas jumper ones that I was going to do and use as gift tags, but actually these are actually Christmas gift tags. So you've got a hat, a Santa, a skate, a candy cane, a stocking, a coffee mug, a muffin, no, what's it called, a mitten. Oh my goodness me, honestly, the medication that I'm on makes me a bit delusional sometimes, so if I say random things, just move on. Let's just pretend I didn't say muffin rather than mitten. Candle, Santa, and what is that, a snowflake. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you get 10 in there to be able to diamond paint. So these are going to be fab to be able to sit on the sofa and just diamond paint. And I know a lot of people know that I do diamond painting, so obviously giving them a little gift tag that's been diamond painted would be quite nice. I'll probably have to seal them in just so they don't get knocked whilst the presents are in transit wherever they're going. I'll probably change out the cord as well. I'm not a huge fan of this. It's like a thicker cord. I like a thinner kind of baker's twine. So I'll probably change it out. But yeah, I'm really happy with those. So the drills and the 10 gift tags. very happy with that. So I'm going to pop that away. I don't keep the toolkits, and I won't be keeping that. So I'm just going to pop that to one side. Then we have another. In here that another little kit. So again, we've got so we've got a standard toolkit, but this looks to include well, this has got hoops and jump rings. Okay, so we have a snowman and a candle and a gingerbread man, a candle and a snowman. I'm just going to check because I think yeah, so these are actually sticky both sides. So you do diamond paint both sides. And then we've got Santa. Then we've got a reindeer. We've got a wreath. We've got a little gingerbread house. And then a Santa hat. Now, I'm not... Oh, I know what these are. I did actually see what I saw something on the list of what was meant to be in this mystery box, and so I know what this is because I remember seeing it on the list. I didn't study the list, I just remember seeing this. These are wine glass charms. So what you do is once you've diamond painted, and these are a genius idea, if you've got people coming over for a drink, how many times do you put your cup down and never know which one is yours? Well, these are actually wine glass charms. So once you've diamond painted, you would then put your jump ring onto your charm. And then that would then go on to your little wine glass charm. And then that would clip, I suppose you don't even really need to do that. That would just then clip onto the stem of your wine glass. And so, if you've got the snowman, that's your glass of wine, or you've got the reindeer, that's your glass of wine. These are such a clever idea for when you've got guests and you've got more than one glass of wine floating around. Could do with some of these for cans of Coke as well. I had a party a few weeks ago, like a get together with some friends and stuff, and the amount of like half empty cans of drink that were lying around afterwards, I could have done with those for them. So here are the drills that we get. They're all crystals by the looks of things. So we've got a yellow, a couple of shades of green, a pink, like an amber, a darker yellow, like a bronzy yellow, a hot pink, a red, and then our standard silver crystal. So again, I mean, these shouldn't take too long, and again, they're going to need sealing to be able to get used, because otherwise the drills may get knocked or fall off. I will keep the toolkit in that one because I'm going to need the little charm, the little bits for the charms. Really love those. So that's 2 little projects that we get out of this. So what's that so far? We've had 3 gift bags, some Christmas gift tags, and some wine glass charms. Okay, then we've got, I tell you what, I'll leave this till after because I have no idea what's in those 2, but I can see that this is a diamond painting. So let's get this one out. And I assume then that this might all be kind of Christmas themed, apart from the gift bags, they weren't overly Christmas themed. Okay, so we have a diamond painting here. Looks like a gonk. Take time to chase the snowflakes. Well, I mean, it might snow here this year, it might not. It's just have to wait and see. This is only a partial by the looks of things, and it isn't a full, it's not a full square either by the looks of things. It's just a circle. I know some people use these, they cut these out and use them as plates, kind of like plate decorations, and you could mount these on mount board or foam board. So yeah, we have a gonk. There's only 8 colours in this. We have a standard toolkit, as always, included. And I've just spotted an AB, so I'm going to take a look at the drills to see what we actually get with this one. Now, none of the drills have any DMC codes, and that's the same for the projects as well, with the gift tags and the wine charms. So, included in this, we have some some silver hearts, faceted hearts. Then we've got some, they look like they're AB coated marquees, and some AB coated larger marquees as well. Then we have some white ABs in the round. Then we have some orange, some purple, some silver and some pink. So that's quite a few colours. I'm not sure where all of these colours are going to end up on this one at all, but it's going to be a nice, quick, simple painting to complete for Christmas. I suppose because it's about snowflakes, I suppose you could say that it'll work for winter, so January, February time as well, if you are a seasonal painter. So that is so that's that painting. So there's a diamond painting included, just a partial one. I'm going to pop it back in the packet just to just so I can keep it all together. If I don't think I'm going to get to it, or I might pop it in my box for giveaway if I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. Okay, then we've got a packet. Let's see what's in this one. Anything else in here, is there? Okay, yep. Oh, here we go. Okay. So in the toolkit, standard toolkit, but it also looks like there's lobster claw clasps with some lobster claw clasps. And I don't actually know what these are called, but you hook them through, and then you've got then like a keychain, or you can use them as ornaments on the tree or whatever. These actually do look like they are keychains, and I think they're handbags by the looks of things. So we have this one here, and they are double-sided by the looks of things too, which is always my preference. So let's take a look at what we've got. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, love this style one, 5, 6. Okay, so we've got 6 handbags. And then the drills, let's take a look and see what drills we've got included with these ones. Again, I don't think there's any DMC codes, and most of these are crystals anyway, if not all. So we have a purple standard. Oh, and then we've got like a baby pink marquee. And then we've got a beautiful lavender purple marquee there. Then we've got a blue, a silver. We've got a silver marquee, an aqua standard crystal, a really light pink crystal, a really light blue crystal. Then we've kind of got like a peridot marquee as well. So there's some really nice colours in here. And then in this one, we've just got some standard crystals. So we've kind of got like a light grey, a light pink, and then like a light orange in there as well. So again, so I mean, well, this isn't obviously Christmas themed, but it will be nice to do these ones. Like I said, I love little projects like this that I can sit on the sofa and make them. They are really ideal for I suppose bag charms, because they are handbags. The fact they're double-sided as well, it doesn't matter if they kind of swing around, but they are definitely going to need sealing. So yeah, those should be a bit of fun to make and put together. So you get 6 handbag charms. That's what we're going to call them. Let me pop those all back in to here where they came from. Okay, so what is that so far? Gift bags, Christmas gift labels, wine glass charms, a partial painting. Then we've just had handbag dangle charm things, whatever you want to call them. Okay, and then the last thing is this box. So let's get my little cutter and see what's in here. I don't know what's in here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Is that everything? I think that's everything out. Okay, it looks, so we got standard toolkit again. Now this looks to be a Christmas tree on acrylic. It is only single-sided, but yeah, it's a partial Christmas tree to decorate. So you also get the acrylic stand. So once you've finished, actually I better not do that because I'm not going to be able to get it out. Once you've finished, then you just pop that in the stand, and then you have it as a Christmas decoration. This does have a piece of plastic on the perspex. So just peel off the front and the back. The top and the bottom, front and back, whatever you want to call it. And then you would just pop that in. So let's take a look at the drills on this one. And this perspex feels nice and thick as well. So it does feel very good quality. Then the drills that we have for this Christmas tree is, and I don't know whether it might be that the mystery boxes are seasonal, because this seems to be very Christmas heavy in terms of the tree, the painting, the wine charms and the tags, and two things that are not specifically Christmas. So I wonder whether, yeah, I would imagine at certain times, different times of the year, like if we were in the middle of the summer, you wouldn't get a Christmas themed one, you'd get like a summer themed one. So we have some large red domes. Those are E's. So those are going to be for some of these baubles or ornaments if you're in the States. We call them baubles here in the UK. Then we've got some really nice iridescent coated teardrops. And we have some larger faceted yellow ones. And we have some marquee faceted. And we've got some dome faceted pink ones there. Then we have, these are standard crystals. So we have a slightly darker blue, a slightly lighter blue, a green, a red, a bright yellow, a lighter red, and then like an orange. So yeah, some fun projects here to do with the mystery kit. So if you love mysteries, if you love a surprise, I would say go ahead and give the box a go. I think it's actually not too unreasonably priced for what you get. Like I said, I got gift bags in there. I got an acrylic tree for a decoration. I got the bag charms. I got a partial diamond painting. I got gift tags, and I got wine charms as well. And it does, as I said, if you want to know specifically, then it does actually list it. So I just didn't want to look at what it included. I just wanted it to be a complete mystery. But I do remember seeing wine charms accidentally on the list. So I do remember that. So yeah, I would say give it a go, see what you get. You might get something similar to me, especially this time of year. You might not. So if Christmas isn't your thing, wait and then until we're out the Christmas season, and then you might well get something else in the mystery box. So thank you so much to One Day Saving for sending the mystery box across to me. I've had fun unboxing this, and I'll have fun certainly doing all of these on the sofa of an evening, so I can yeah, add a few more to my Christmas decorations. So thanks very much. All the details for this will be left in the description box down below, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye guys.